Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about if you can work Uber Eats and DoorDash at the same time. The answer is yes. You absolutely can work for both Uber Eats and DoorDash at the same time. Add many delivered riders to maximize their income and stay consistently busy throughout their shift. Now how it works. You can run both apps onto your phone simultaneously, but you'll need to juggle them wisely. First is to accept an order on one platform and pause and go offline onto the other app until that delivery is done. Then switch back and forth to pick up the next order. Now there are pros. First is more order opportunities, which means less downtime, with higher earning potential and especially during slow hours on one app. And you can choose the best paying orders for both apps. And things to watch out for. Do not accept two deliveries at once unless both are headed into the same direction. This can hurt your rating or lead to delayed deliveries. Time management is the key. If you're too slow, customer or platforms may rate you poorly. Consistently switching apps can drain your phone battery and data. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.